Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Zengo Wallet. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Zengo Wallet application. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. There you can see a menu bar in bottom of your screen. Click on the middle of your menu bar, then this type of interface will pop up in your screen. There you can see send option. Click to send. It will then view you all your holdings of your cryptocurrency in your wallet. Hover your holdings, then click on Bitcoin. Then click to send. Enter the details like the address of your wallet that you want to send, then click to send. Verify your transaction, then your Bitcoin will be sent. This is how you can send Bitcoin from Zengo Wallet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.